Welcome to my DIY project on a simple and affordable smart water valve using ESP development board and Home Assistant. With almost $30, you can protect your home from water damage or have a smart irrigation, in addition to monitoring and remote controlling over your water supply. Before showing you the finished project, subscribe and press the bell button to receive every new video. From Home Assistant app, by touch of a button, you can open valve. After valve is completely open, the valve status sensor displays open, indicating valve's status. Again, using app, you can close the valve. After the action is completed, sensor displays valve status, which is closed. While valve is being opened or closed, if a stop is touched, operation will be aborted. An electric valve arm stops moving. Then the sensor displays half open. In addition to using Home Assistant app, you can control valve by connected touch buttons or any momentary switches. The trick of this project is that I reversed two connections of electric valve arm using two relays, not four. Another feature of this project is that we always have the status of the valve, even if ESP development board reboots. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in how to build this smart water valve, join my exclusive membership channel and watch the video on how to do it. I'll see you in the next video.